Good morning, students. Today we are going to construct two parallel lines which is given in question number 2, that is exercise 10.1 question number 2. Let me first read question number 2 and then we can draw the construction accordingly. Draw a line L. Okay, students, what we will do, we will read the question and draw the construction as they have told. So they have told draw a line L. So let me first draw a line L. You can draw a line L of any measurement. This is line L. Now what they are telling, draw a perpendicular L at any point on L. We have to draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means one line we have to draw that measures 90 degree with L, like this. If I am drawing, this is, let us say this is L, line L. So we have to draw a perpendicular line which makes 90 degree. So what we will do, we will take one point. Let us take a point O on it. Now we have to draw perpendicular, and for that purpose what you will do, take your compass, open as you want, have any measurement, put it on O, and draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle which cuts line L at 2 points. Name those points as P and Q. Hope you have understood. What you will do, draw line L, take a point O on it. Now from O and take any radius, draw a semicircle which cuts L at P and Q. Now third step, now with P as a center, put needle on P, open this compass more than half, this is half, more than half of PQ, that is half, more than half. Okay, more than half means like this. Draw one arc above. Let me open little bit further. Draw one arc above, and now taking the same measurement which we have taken on P, now put it on Q and draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. Wherever they intersect, name it as, what we will name it as R. Let us name it as R, this point of intersection. Join OR, fourth step, join OR and produce it to point B, till point B. Let us name this point as B. Name it as B. Now with O as a center and radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Let us take 4 centimeter now. Put the needle on 4th and pencil tip on 0. So this is our 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Put the needle on O and radius equal to 4 centimeter. Cut one arc on OB. Cut one arc on OB. Name it as X. See, they have told cut one arc, a point X which is 4 centimeter away from L. So this is our point X and this is 4 centimeter radius which we have done with the compass. Now we have got line 4 centimeter. Now what they have told, they have told us that through X draw a line parallel to L. Now through this point X, we have to draw one parallel line. We have to draw a line which must be parallel to L, and we will name that line as M. So what we will do? We will do now the same procedure as we have done in question number 1. We will take our compass, open as much you want, place it on the O, place it on O, draw one arc which intersect L and OB at 2 points. Okay, name these points as M and N. Now taking the same measurement which we have done here at O, put it on X and draw one arc which intersect OB at J. Name this arc as J. It is intersecting here, so I am naming it as J. Now students, if I am in hurry, please pause me. You can do your steps and then again play the button so that you can do your construction properly. Now putting the needle on M. This I am going faster because we have done in question number 1 these steps. And open it till the pencil tip touches to N. This is our measurement. This is the radius. Now take this measurement, put it on J and cut one arc which intersects the previous arc and name it as H. Let me name it as H, or you can also name it as K, no problem. Now if you join X and H and produce it further, we will get our required line, that is line M. This is our line M. But wait, are they parallel? Let me check. We know that this is 90 degree perpendicular. Let me check if this is 90 degree also, because they have told perpendicular. Okay, here you can see 90 degree exactly, right? Now put it on X and see if it is also 90 degree. Okay, you can see here it is 90 degree, it is touching 90 degree only. Okay, so our construction is perfect. We have got two parallel lines M and L. Now coming to steps of construction. Steps of construction, as we have drawn, we are supposed to write on your own also, or you can copy this steps of construction which I have written. Please take the screenshot and write it down. So this was our question number 2. We have done steps of construction and 2 construction, question number 1 and question number 2. Hope you have understood. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly and practice it 2 or 3 times so that you can master on it. We will meet with new questions in new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.